everyone, and welcome to Code Combat. This game is kind of a weird one compared to what I usually do. It's actually a browser game, and it's educational. You may or may not know, but I'm going to school right now for, game design related classes, and one thing I know nothing about is programming, which is exactly what this game, Code Combat, is meant to fix. So, I'm going to get into it. It's going to open up a new window because it's browser based, and it's going to lag out. Come on, there we go. Alright, so you can see down here I've got 28 gems, and I'm level 3, and there's a little portrait here, and there's all this stuff down here. I really haven't messed with anything. I know I'm level 3, but like you level up super quickly, and all I did was like a daily puzzle, and I'm pretty sure I got the answer wrong. And or was it a daisy puzzle? I don't know. It was something about something. And then went in here, and then I did the first area. So I'm gonna go in here and play it again so that you can see what we're kind of going with. So this is our character, and I guess these are all things that she can equip. And when you first play, you only get this. And I got this after beating the level, so I'm only going to use the boots for right now. I'm gonna lower the volume because it's actually kind of loud. I'm gonna check the volume levels real quick. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna go into play.
Code Combat.
So we've got Code Combat here, and you can see we've got the level laid out, and there's a gem over there. Our goal is to avoid spikes, collect the gem, and have no code issues. So we're gonna have to start the level. So it is showing you the code that I wrote last time. So it's already a success. I didn't have to do anything because I already did the code. There's an extra line here for some reason, so I'll just save these lines. I'm done. And I still get XP and gems and stuff, I guess. Even though I basically did nothing. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and continue. So now we have the next dungeon, where things might actually get a little bit more complicated. So,
More battle scars!
more battle scars. So we got two
Not a problem.
characters. We got Tharin Thunderfist, who's got high damage, high health, and low speed.
More battle scars!
And so does she. And we can also pick our different languages. Like we could do JavaScript if we wanted to. I think JavaScript is basically anything on the internet. This might be all in JavaScript, I'm not sure. Alright, so I'm going to equip this belt, which adds 5 health. Sure. And we'll just go ahead and play.
Code Combat.
Okay, avoid the spike, collect the gems, no code problems. A documented bug is not a bug, it is a feature. Alright, so they start us off with moving right. And they have our stuff down here. So I guess we'll just scuttle around. So we have to identify what is moving. So self, and we want them to move, and we have to capitalize the direction. And it'll also bring up a little list, so I guess we wanted to go down. So let's see what happens when we do that. She'll move right, and then she'll move down. Alright, and she stops there on her own. So now we'll have her move up and move right. So let's see what happens after we do that. So she moves up back to her starting position and then moves right over here. So we need her to move higher. So I wonder if we can like put move up 2. Move down. Oh. What's that? What? Oh! Move up 2 did work. Okay, cool. Alright, we got all the gems. Done. We did it. So, what I was going to think, because I didn't know if the 2 would work, I would type another line of code that say she'd go up again. but I think that would be kind of inefficient. So that might, in terms of making like a video game, that would probably make your game kind of slow because it would be running long code twice instead of just duplicating it or something. I'm not sure if I'm explaining it well. Alright, so here we got an orc. Avoid the spikes, collect the gems, stay out of sight of the ogre. Alright. So it's gonna start us over here. Alright, so we're going to self move. Yeah, I know what I need to do. Up. Then self move right. Oops. I made a spelling error. Right. Self move down. And then self move right again. So I'm guessing this game kind of works in the scenario that the entire gameplay is being coded by you as you play it, and then you let your character run through the course to see if you've come up with any bugs or errors or anything. And we didn't, so our character made it to the end and we got our XPs. You have learned the value of not being seen. Continue. So we're making our merry way along the coding platform. I mean, we're basically just using the same code over and over.
Code combat.
Under 9 statements. Okay, so here's where we have to start getting into the code being beneficial or not being wasteful. Because right now we've got this first line that tells us what to do. So we should self move right, just so that we get into the hallway. Then self move up. Self move. Oops, I need a period. Self move right 2. And then self move down 2. Now if I wrote these again, I would probably still fit in the 9, but because I'm trying this 2 modifier here, which may be wrong, but it worked for me last time, so I'm going to do it again. Nope, it'll work here. So I actually went almost half of what they asked of me because I figured out how to do this a little bit more efficiently. They should probably teach you that right off the bat. Get to the exit. Oh, okay. I didn't notice that. I thought it just meant the gems. Alright, self-move. Here I was gloating. That I was like, oh, look at how much I did under the thing, and I'm so great. And I'm forgetting my periods. I'm gonna be a bad programmer. Alright. There we go. This works. Now she's going a little bit faster. There. Success. And we still did it in under 2 lines. Because we did not duplicate codes. Oh look, we got a sword for it. That's pretty great. I wonder what combat's gonna be like. Alright. True names. Oh, now we got strings. So we're gonna have to start stringing commands. Let's equip our weapon. Let's see. A simple introductory sword, 12 DPS. The attack method makes the hero attack the target unit. Alright, so we may have to put an attack command. Attack, Brack, and Treg. Your hero must survive, collect the gems, and have no code problems. Alright, so they start us off with move right, self-attack, Brack, self-attack, Brack. Alright. So now we must self-move right. Let's see. Probably... There are little indicators on the floor. So we got 1, 1, 2. So we need to move forward twice. And then we'll do self attack. Enemy name. Treg. And then can I duplicate this? I can! Alright, let's run this.
The Pamun Pash.
And now he's dead. Alright. So now we got self move right. Self move right. And then that should do it.
The Pamun.
I could probably be a little bit faster if I attacked Treg earlier, but I didn't realize he would notice me so quickly. But there we go, another one. Man, combo breaker. I'm doing great. I am a great programmer. I'm doing awesome. Get out of here. No, I don't want to buy gems. What are these things? I didn't even notice these. Favorable odds. 2 ogres bar your passage out the dungeon. Oh, what's this? Sharpen your skills with Codex subscription. Ah, I see. 10 new powerful heroes, 80 plus level bonuses, gems every month, video tutorials, emails, private clans. Well, I'm not gonna pay for this. At least not today. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not ever.
Code Common.
Let's keep. Defeat the ogres. Your hero must survive no code problems. Alright, so they're all gonna come over one at a time and wipe her out. Failing? Well, I haven't even gotten a chance to type anything yet. I mean, I guess I could type it all in one go, but I really don't want to.
Attack Rig twice on lines 4 and 5.
Okay. So self-attack. Rig. Put it on 3 and 4 to break the rules. And then self-attack. I guess. I can't read all their names. Ack. Do 5 and 6. And then self attack Gert on 7 and 8. Well, maybe what we should do is put a wait command here. I don't know if this works. I'm gonna give it a try. So let's see. Nope, wait is not a code. Okay, I understand. I'm gonna get rid of it. It's out of here. All right, it's gone. Wait is gone. That does not work. That is not code. Alright. Well, she took too much damage
Hero
there.
will need more armor to win this fight.
Go buy the tarnished bronze breastplate. Okay. Oh, it's so dirty. Can I get the polished bronze breastplate? It's got 23 more. It looks a little better. But it's like way too much. Alright, I'll buy the stupid ugly breastplate. Did I buy it? Okay, I bought it. Equip that.
Chashin.
There. Now you're a little better
Combat.
equipped. So we'll start the level. Our code is still here. And there it goes. Man, that breastplate is pretty sweet. Alright. New item, what do we get? A programmaticon. Whatever. Alright, what does it do? Loop. The loop keyword lets you run code over and over again. Put 4 spaces before each line to repeat or it won't work. Okay. 4 spaces before each line. Alright, so that gives us some more code.
Code Combat.
Code combat. Say the password, exit. You should leave before the ogre apprentices show up. Oh god. What? I don't know the password. Okay, so self-say, message, string, extension. What? Then we got loop over here, we got attack. Say the password. I don't know the freaking password. If the hero, make the hero say, give a message, anything within 20 meters will hear it. Action, name, say, takes 1 second. Message, string. Okay. And this will loop. So, it says here the loop keyword lets you run code over and over again. Put 4 spaces before. So loop we can do self, move right down, right up, and that'll just keep looping that. Example, attack an enemy over and over again. Enemy equals self find nearest enemy, if enemy, self attack enemy. Okay, that's easy enough to understand. I don't know what the password is.
Diseric.
Diseric?
Diseric.
Travesty.
Diseric.
Okay, that didn't work. Alright, what's... How do...
Silence yourself. Silence yourself.
Can I ask what the password is? What is the password?
Diseric.
Uh-oh! I
What a
made an
ting.
error! I
Diseric.
don't have my quotation mark.
What a ting.
What is the password? Is it password? Password.
Diseric.
What a ting.
Diseric.
It says I ran out of time. But that's not fair because I don't know what the password is. Make the hero say the given message. Anything within 20 meters will hear it. Self-say. Yeah, I know I ran out of time. You should leave before the ogre apprentices show up.
What a ting.
Diseric.
Shh. Okay. I'm missing something here. Say the password. Is it this?
Diseric.
Should just be this.
Chashin.
Diseric.
Password. I don't know the password. They're being awfully harsh on me here.
Chashin.
Diseric.
Alright, let's try this loop command. This is how it works, right? Nope. Need to put it under.
Diseric.
Chashin.
Diseric.
So she just keeps saying, I don't know the password. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and reload. It's not working. Reload doesn't work. Reload all code, reload all code.
Diseric.
Chashin.
Diseric.
So I think he just says that. I don't think it has anything to do with anything. Is it open?
Diseric.
Travesty.
Diseric.
You need a password to open the library door. The password is in the help guide. Oh! Click on the blue help button under the code window to open the level help guide. Where the hell is that? Where is the help guide? I need it. Most levels have a help guide with extra information. If you get stuck in a level, be sure to click help. Blue help button. Blue... I don't even see anything that is blue. Oh, here it is. I'm just all full of smart today. Alright, the library door password is hush. Most levels have guides that contain extra information to help you complete your goals. You say... Alright. Okay. Hush. Hush, door.
Disarray.
Novice.
Ah. Oh, I need to keep going. Self, move, right. Keep going.
Disarray.
There we go. We made it! It was our toughest foe yet. Oh my good golly goodness. We're on our ways to be the strongest knight in the realm. At programming. Fire dancing. Alright, so we got loops here. We gotta do loops.
Code Combat.
So what are we dealing with? We got fire pits and gargoyles. Dodge fireballs forever. No code problems. Under 4 statements. Alright, well she's already dead. Code normally executes in the order it's written. Loops let you repeat a block of code multiple times. You need to press tab. Ah! Huh! Sorry. These comments below show how to make a loop. Loop, self-move right, self-move left. Okay. So, loop. Self-move right. Self-move... let's just put left. Let's see what we're dealing with here. So, she moves to the left, then she moves to the right, then she moves to the right, she goes back to the left, and we have dodged the fire bullets forever. We're getting pretty quick though. Success! Alright, we did it. Under 4 statements, we did it in 3. Done. Done in fewer than 4 statements, no errors or warnings, jump to the left, step to the right, repeat. Awesome. We did it. Well, yeah, I guess we did it. Alright, so now we gotta go into the Haunted Kiss Maze. More looping. More looping! I should probably buy more armor at some point. But I'll worry about that when it becomes necessary. Your hero must survive, navigate the maze, bonus no code problems under 6 statements. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? She is perpetually moving right. Loop, add commands in here to repeat. Alright, so she's dying.
Read the sample code to understand how loops work.
Right,
Use a loop to get through the maze.
right. Alright. Well. I don't know how a loop is supposed to help here. But whatever. We'll do what it asks. So it wants us to... So we go right, right. It has to be under 6 statements. Alright, let's do right 2. Oh, I can't alter this part. So it goes right, right. Okay, so loop. Self-move right. No. I want you to move up. I want you to move up. You're gonna have to move up twice. Up twice. And self-move right twice. And then just alternate between those two. There's an error. Error using user code 41 found blob thingy. Is this not gonna work? Should I just do another self move up?
Chashin.
I'm not stuck, okay? I'm thinking. And there's no parentheses. Alright? The parentheses. There! Ah, they're conflicting. Okay. Then... Okay. I see. So we need to... 1, 2, 3, 4. Self... Move up. We need to string it after this loop because it's trying to loop while I'm looping and then it's getting confused. So I thought it would just end, but it's not. It's just gonna keep going. So I need to continue on their loop rather than make a new loop. Move up, move right. Actually, I don't need this second line. It'll already move right on its own. So that should work. There we go. That's not so bad. Can I speed this up a little? No? Yeah, I'll just skip ahead. Yeah. Awesome. Done. Done in fewer than 6 code statements. No code errors or warnings. I mean, like... You have to beat the level, so getting no errors or warnings is kind of innate. Because you can't beat the level with errors. Can I buy stuff? Yeah, I can. I don't want to buy this. I don't... Oh my god! 3,000 gems! Shields... Specs... What are these? Distance 2 returns the distance in me... Oh my... That's a lot of stuff. Just... No. No, no. How about I buy these? Yeah, let's get those. Okay, did I unlock them? Confirm. Alright. Now we got some glues. Cool.
Code Combat.
Navigate the maze. Your hero must survive. Seems easy enough. Alright. Can we,
Novelty.
Whoa! Okay. Yeah, I get it. Loops. I understand how to use loops now. Alright, so loop. Alright. Move right. Alright. Move up. Move right. Oh, now she's dying. Move.
Ugh.
Move right. Move up. Move right. Move down. So this should work. There she goes. She's making her way. Instead of running over and over into the spiky walls. Stepping on the spiders and fighting off cobwebs. Alright. No code errors or warning of less than 6. Oh, I got a hat. Cool. Let's equip that hat. In this dread door. Oh, now we gotta use loops, strings, and their basic syntax. Let's put this hat on. Oh my goodness. That looks terrible. Well, it gives us some extra protection.
Code Combat.
Destroy the door. Okay. Attack the door. Okay. Loop. Self. Wait. Wasn't there something like, if enemy... There was a thing over here. Yeah, there it is. Enemy equals self... Okay. Enemy equals self... Can we just have it find door? I'll just find nearest enemy. Find nearest... Do I need to capitalize enemy? I do. I need to capitalize nearest. Find nearest enemy. And then close parentheses. And then... self... I wonder if I could move this up here. Like, move this down, put this here, and maybe it will activate the loop. Self, attack, door. Ah, it does work! So she'll find the nearest enemy, and then she'll loop her attack. Awesome! I love being creative and not doing exactly what they're saying and still finding ways to do things. So, we're writing code! Well, I'm writing code. I guess you're just watching me write code. I don't even know if this is entertaining. I keep yawning. I don't mean to yawn. I'm not bored or anything. It's just kind of late and I've been doing lots of homework. I guess this is kind of like homework. Oh, no, there's so many things to... Ooh. That's a shiny looking sword. Skills granted. The attack method makes the hero attack... How much damage the hero does with each attack. Oh, man. Oh, man. There's some good stuff here. I could get a weapon upgrade, but I don't need a weapon. I don't need a shield. I haven't fought anything. I'll just keep going, save my money.
Code combat.
It's gonna be first level. Yep, we're gonna have to fight something. Your hero must survive. Kill the 3 ogres. Clean code. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pause it and see what they have me start off with. You can use a variable like a name tag. Enemy 1, 2, and 3. Self-attack enemy 1, self-attack enemy 1, self-attack enemy 2. Clean code. So we don't have a limit. So our enemies are... Okay. Okay. Enemy... Oh, this stuff is locked. I could... continue. Self-attack enemy 2. Right. Enemy equals self-find. Self-find nearest enemy. There's some weird audio issues. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know what the issue is. It shouldn't be lagging. Why would that be? Alright, just ignore it. I'll turn off the volume if it actually becomes really annoying, but I think it's okay right now. Loop, self, attack, target, instead of a named target. Let's see. I put target. Target. You need to attack target. Nope, still doesn't work. Alright, well I guess this isn't gonna work. Let's just do it the hard way. Self-attack enemy 2. And then nope, dot attack. Oh, there's a coding error there. Enemy 3. There's a code error right here. I need to close parentheses. And let's just copy this. And even though there's a space in between these, it doesn't count as new lines, I think. Right, this should work. There we go. Alright, we did that. Alright. Done with that. Seriously. Why is the audio so weird? Yeah. Okay. Here's hoping it's just... Oh, wait, we got some glasses. Where do I equip that? On heroes?
For the win!
Nope. Items? Yeah, this looks like it. Ooh. Oh, there are different classes and stuff. Alright, we got crude glasses, which, visual range, line of sight. Okay, so it's not the super cool classes. How big is this dungeon? This is a pretty big dungeon. Your new coding powers to something something something. So let's equip. Oh man, she looks like such a dork with her dirty jacket and her coon hat. Alright, let's go ahead and
Code combat.
code combat. Find nearest enemy, I see you. Your hero must survive. Kill the 3 ogres, no code problems. So, we don't have a limited amount of code. Your hero doesn't know the enemy's names. The glasses give you the find nearest enemy ability. Enemy 1 equals find nearest enemy. So, self-attack, enemy 1. Enemy 2, self-find nearest enemy. Why do I need to give them enemy 1, 2, and 3? Why can't I just say whatever? Well, I guess I have to identify that they're new enemies. So I'll just copy these and put enemy 3. So she will identify a new target rather than just attacking something altogether new. I'm just gonna turn off the music. Alright. Well, that was easy. Finally getting into the combat of it, and I still don't know why the audio is lagging. Maybe it just needs a good refresh. Alright. Well, I guess since the audio is starting to act kind of funny, maybe that's a good place to leave off. I just wanted to kind of show you this a little bit. I wasn't really planning on making like a long series of it. It was just kind of something that I was going to do in my own time anyway, and I thought maybe I'd share it with you. And maybe it could be something that you're interested in. If you want to do something with games, programming is definitely an important aspect of them. Or if you just want to learn something new, you know, that's great. And this is an easy way to get into it. So it's Code Combat, it's free, you could think of it as like an iOS game or an Android game where it's free but there is content that you can buy, and it's probably better if you do, but you can still get by on not paying for it, I'm sure, for quite a while and still find it rather entertaining. So I hope you enjoyed this video or two, because I guess one's kind of long. And if you actually want to see more, I don't mind recording more of this. Just let me know. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time!